Hello everyone, to this side. On this tutorial, we will just see how to change the navbar on scroll, navbar color on scroll. And for that, you just need to add a simple interaction on the navbar div, and it will just done in 2 minutes. So you can see this is the Webflow template, and on scroll the menu is transparent, and on scroll it doesn't have any solid color so that it can appear clean. We'll just need to add a simple interaction. Select this and page. While on scrolling, start an animation. This is the old one. I will just delete this. Okay, add new. You can just give any name, navbar pg color. Okay, now add background color at 0%. It will be transparent, default one, and I will just need this transparency only till the 2% of the page. So I will add another beachy color at 2% again, transparent, and I want like from the 3% of the page on scroll, it will just add a new background color to my navbar. So after that, I will add beachy, and after 2%, at 3%, it will change the background color to different. I will just choose black. You can take any color you want depending on your color palette of the website, and it will appear till the end of the page. So at 100%, black will appear. Okay, I'm saving this interaction, and now publish the site. It is on staging as this is a test. Go to the site and scroll. It will just change transparent to black on sticky menu. Thank you so much for watching.